In this video you will learn how to enable auto download for MMS in Truecaller app. Open the Truecaller app. Launch the Truecaller app on your Android phone from the home screen or app drawer. Go to the settings menu, tap on your profile icon in the 3-line menu in the top left corner, then select settings from the list. Select the messaging option, scroll down and tap on messaging or SMS settings to access the message related preferences. Find the auto download MMS option. Look for the auto download MMS or multimedia message settings under the messaging section. Toggle auto download. Turn on switch next to the auto download MMS to allow Truecaller to automatically download your multimedia messages such as photos, videos or audios. Save and exit settings. Once enabled, exit the settings page. Truecaller will now automatically download incoming MMS without asking for manual confirmation. Now you know how to enable auto download for MMS in the Truecaller app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.